Which mom is poor? You're probably thinking it's letter C. But you may be wrong. Take a closer look and search for a clue in the details. I will give you a moment. The answer will be revealed at the end. Can you find the letter G? Now? Double tap the screen, just so I know you got it right. Third exam. What's the first app that shows up when you tap share and then more? I'm guessing it's the calendar app. Do you know when you follow me, my profile picture starts dancing? Fourth question. Press and hold the comment button. Then pick a unique emoji. I bet you picked this emoji now. Final question. Be warned, it's a tough one. Guess the number. Post your answer in the comments. Answer to the first question. Correct answer is letter B. Mom is poor because she hit banana in bag instead of ordering food.